Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, we are going to talk about the Dogecoin. What's going on in the Dogecoin? You know what? In this video, we're talking about the future, the latest update of Dogecoin. Now, first of all, we talk about the funds. You know what? In a previous time, the Dogecoin price is very badly jumps. Now the price is completely not only Dogecoin, my friends. A lot of cryptocurrencies, Cardano, XRP, which in Shiba Inu, a lot of cash, a lot of cryptocurrencies prices very badly jumps now. So in this video we are going to discuss these changes of the Dogecoin, my friends. But before starting this video, guys, make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Now at this time, the latest price of the Dogecoin in the market is 0.177041 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Dogecoin. Furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the price changes, if we talk about the price, so now the latest last 1 hour changes of the Dogecoin is going positive 0.03% the price pump just in the last 1 hour. So first of all, that's really a good news. It's time to celebration for all of you, especially for Dogecoin holders, that after a 1 week falls, the price start pump. So that's really a great news for all Dogecoin holders, my friends. Anyways, furthermore, my friends, you can see here that the previous changes of the Dogecoin is completely on the loss. Completely, the July and July month, the both month is the lowest month of cryptocurrencies market, and this month the cryptocurrencies market is completely dumps. But you know what? Those people are in the profit, who's hold. And I think my personal recommendation for all of you, my friends, all of you, that it's time to buy more and more Dogecoin. It's time to buy more and more XRP, more and more VeChain, Shiba Inu, because nowadays the price of this coin is very low. And you know what? In the becoming days, in the future, this coin will pump and the price will become high. So that's how you can earn money from a cryptocurrencies market. You can make yourself richest, my friends. Anyways, I can't. You remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.